everyone, I'm Catherine De La Fuente from BSED 2G, and for today's video, I'm going to explain what is assessment, the importance of assessment in the classroom, the different types of assessment and their roles, and also I will explain how assessment can be used to improve both teaching and student learning. So first is the assessment. Assessment is evaluating and measuring the students' knowledge, abilities, skills, and performance in the classroom. Dito natin malalaman kung yung students nga ba is may learning progress or kailangan pa ng improvement. Next is the importance of assessment in the classroom. Mahalaga ang assessment sa isang classroom dahil dito natin malalaman kung ano ba yung mga natutunan or may natutunan ba tayo sa mga lessons na itinuro sa atin ng mga teachers. And na-identify din ito yung mga weaknesses and strengths nating mga estudyante sa ating learning process. And also, it can provide feedbacks and insights to improve our learning. And kung paano ba natin to i-improve pa. Next is the different types of assessment. First is the formative assessment. Binibigay ito during the discussion to determine the learning progress of the learners or students. Yeah, so dito natin malalaman kung yung mga estudyante ba is nakakasabay or naiintindihan ba yung mga dinidiscuss ng mga teachers. Example nito is yung recitation. Magtatawag ng pangalan yung teachers para sagutin yung tanong niya and during the discussions and para din malaman niya kung isang bata nga ba is nakakasabay or naiintindihan niya yung tinuturo niya. Next is the summative assessment. Binibigay ito at the end of the instruction or discussions to measure the student learning. So dito malalaman kung may natutunan ba yung mga estudyante pagkatapos ng discussions or kung na-meet ba nila yung learning objectives or learning goals pagkatapos ng discussions. So example nito is quiz. So pag-aari ng discussion, magbibigay yung teacher ng quiz and dito madedetermine kung natuto nga ba or kung may natutunan nga ba yung mga estudyante sa discussions. And last is the diagnostic assessment. Binibigay ito before the instruction or before the discussions. Dito malalaman kung may alam na ba or kung ano na yung alam ng mga estudyante bago niya ituro yung isang subject na yun. So example nito is pretest. Gusto malaman ng teacher kung may alam na ba or kung ano na yung alam ng mga bata sa subject na ituturo niya. Next is how assessment improve teaching and learning. So sa teaching, malalaman ng or may identify ng mga teachers kung saan nga ba mas nahihirapang subject or lessons ang mga estudyante. So, sa ganun, makapag-provide sila ng additional support and kung paano nila gagamitin yung kanilang teaching strategies based on the results of assessments. So, sa learning, makakapag-provide ito ng insights tungkol sa learning progress ng mga estudyante. And also, malalaman din kung may natutunan nga ba or kung ano yung mga natutunan ng mga estudyante after the discussions. To summarize, assessment is a tool for improving the student learning. And also, different types of assessment ay may iba't ibang purpose to guide our daily instructions and discussions and for evaluating overall achievement or performance of the students. And also, effective use of assessment can enhance the teaching strategies of the teachers and learning process of the students. Yun lang po. Thank you.